Sometimes playing videos forward is just not good enough. Well, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to show you how to play a video in reverse in CapCut. So follow me. Now this process involves getting a video onto your timeline, so let's do just that. I'm going to go ahead and use the stock material. I've now gone ahead and located and selected the video that I'd like, and I'm just going to click on the plus icon. So from here, as you can see, I've got this video in my timeline, and what we're going to do is make sure that it is selected. Now, once it's selected, you can see just above that there are a few options, and you're going to go to this one over here. It is a play button within a semicircle. You're going to go ahead and you're going to click on this, and it'll now process this video frame by frame in reverse. You will now notice that when this video plays back, it will now be in reverse. Now you can go ahead and enhance this video by slowing it down so that you can see more detail. If this was a helpful guide, go ahead, drop us a like. We'll see you next time. Peace.